Today we got a video from Patrol Cam Live, and the title of the video is "After 20 years in prison, nothing has changed."
On March the 12th, 2025, just after 9 a.m., a South Daytona police officer was patrolling Ridgewood Avenue when he spotted a green Chevy pickup make a sudden, illegal lane change. Moments later, the truck veered into oncoming traffic, narrowly avoiding a collision. Behind the wheel was 50-year-old Kenneth Dempsey, a suspect whose reckless actions were only the beginning of what lay ahead.
Hello, license
My bad, boss. What did I do?
It's all right.
I'm trying to get to work.
I get you. It's the illegal change of lane. I got you. Listen, it's the illegal change of lane. All right.
Okay.
I'll be honest with you. I'm not going to bug you too much about it. I got you. But obviously, I'm right there. The public sees you do it. If I don't do anything about it, they complain. It's my ass. All right. Do you have your license with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you have a license?
Yeah. My name's Richard Phillips. I own the A1A Fence Company.
All right. Hold on. I'll try to make this quick. Spell your first name.
Richard, R-I-C-H-A-R-D.
All right. Real quick. Anything illegal in the car? Snow about guns? Okay. Hey man, stay in your car for me. Yo, stay in your car for me. Yo, no, stay in your car. Central, I got one running. White
Wow.
hair, white and blue shirt. Northbound on Ridgewood, coming up.
Unbelievable.
You're gonna get
Hey,
tased.
the cop hanging in there though. I ain't gonna lie. Cop hanging in there.
Get on the ground and shoot you. Get on the ground. Get on the ground and tase your ass. Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
RC.
Central, one at taser point. Hands behind your back. Central, I have a civilian helping me. One detained. Thank you, man.
Wrong turn. Wrong turn.
Stupid man. What is wrong with you, dude?
I got kids, man.
Why run?
I work.
He's here.
What's going on?
Traffic stopped. He booked it. He just got out and started running.
Ain't no way my boy just got out the bath, man. He probably had the rubber duckies, the wine going. You know what I'm saying? Probably had a lady with him in the bathtub, you know what I'm saying? And then you hear all the commotion going on outside. And my boy came out in the robe. He came out in the robe and got him together. Okay, shout out to that civilian, man. My boy came out in the robe, just got out the bathtub.
During the chase, the suspect tossed items and reached for his pocket before surrendering, prompting the officer to draw his gun until a quick-thinking civilian in his bathrobe helped take the suspect into custody.
Did you give me a fake name or is that real?
You can go to here and we'll bring him over here.
Huh?
No.
Real?
No,
Okay. You're getting 2 resisting charges.
Have anything that's going to poke or harm me?
No.
Anything pointed or blades?
No.
Any weapons?
You okay? You hurt? You said use of force?
Yeah, taser point.
Taser point. Anything else?
No, I pulled my gun out, but I didn't point it at him or nothing. I was just...
Because we heard it. We heard
Oh,
it.
you did say it on the radio.
I'm shooting.
Oh, you just said that on the radio, right? Yeah, but you just said taser point. That's what you said. Okay.
Yeah, that was over the radio. He was digging in his hands as he turned, digging in his pockets as he
You're
turned.
good. You're good. He's just asking. Make sure we got one.
Yeah.
My boy, look, he had to come up with that story quick. He said, wait, hold on. I said that on the radio? Yeah. Oh, well, you know, he was digging for stuff. Yeah, get your story together, boy. Get your story together. Make sure that paperwork aligned. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm just.
You're good.
I pulled him over in his truck right over there.
Yeah.
Then he puts the car in reverse, it looked like, and then he puts it in park. He steps out, I'm like, hey, get back in the car. He's like, oh no, I gotta check a tire. I'm like, no, get back in your car. Then he takes off around this building, comes across the street, runs behind the houses over here, went in between, and then got him right there.
A brief search of his truck revealed nothing unusual, leaving one question. Why did he run? What was he hiding?
I got a warrant for my violation, dude, and I was just scared. Man, I got 2 kids at home and a wife. That doesn't work. I apologize. I didn't mean to make you run and all that.
Now, if you didn't run, believe me, I'd be more than happy to help you, but we're not doing anything to help you.
I apologize.
No, we're not doing that. Really quick, I do see prescription pill bottles in there.
Yeah, I'm a recovering addict.
Okay, are they your bottles?
Oh, those are aspirin, B12.
Okay.
Those are just.
Is there anything illegal in the vehicle I should know about? Okay.
Do you know him?
It's her dad.
Okay.
I just tracked his phone.
Okay.
I have to have that truck.
Yeah, he was calling you while he was running, right?
No, he wasn't calling me.
He was calling somebody.
I tracked his phone.
He was on the. Oh well,
He might have been on the phone when it happened.
No, he
'Cause-
ran and started making phone calls. So.
Oh, jeez. So what's gonna happen?
Well, he's going to jail. He obviously has,
yeah.
and plus he has other stuff going on. Yeah, he can't run from the cops. Surprisingly.
Yeah, darn.
Yeah.
Can we say bye to him?
We're not going to go up there right now, but like I said, they have a canine getting out, so we're not going over there.
Are you the canine? Because drugs, you can see if he has drugs. This is a work truck. This is my truck.
Yeah,
this is not in his name. This is my car. I'm sorry.
Yeah, well, when
I'm sorry,
he was
my whole life is just.
Yeah. So I don't know how familiar you are with him, but when he was running, he was reaching in his waistband, throwing stuff out. So we're definitely running a canine. We'll figure out what we're doing with the truck after.
You're not towing my truck.
We're gonna figure out what we're doing with the truck after.
You're gonna tell me what you're doing with my truck.
I will tell you when we're finished. Yeah.
Do you have anything that's in the truck that shouldn't be?
Shouldn't be, no.
Okay. We're bringing a canine just to check.
No, yeah, shouldn't be. I mean, there might be a weed bowl in there, but
Okay.
I think I took that out.
Why did you run?
I got a warrant.
So you ran because of the warrant?
Yeah.
No other reason?
No.
Didn't have anything on you you shouldn't have? Okay.
That's what I'm saying. I got the warrant, man. I'm the only worker in our family.
What's the warrant for?
Violation of controlled release, CRD.
Yeah, you got 100 on that name.
Dude, look down. It says escape habitual offender.
Oh, that's another charge. Huh? That's another felony charge. What? Suboxone. Oh, yeah.
Thank you for not shooting me, man. They said that you see me going in my pocket. I was trying to grab my phone, so I called my wife.
Yeah, I know, but when you're running from the police, it's probably not smart to be
They
digging
said
in your
that.
pockets
I
and stuff.
didn't even. I was just trying to get a call in before to her. That's when my cousin called and I answered him. Thank you for not shooting me, bro.
Especially in my position, too.
No, you're dead right.
You know what I mean? Like, that's a really, really bad spot.
I heard you say, I'll shoot. I'm thinking, for what? Like, I was going in my pocket. You're 100% right.
And do you have a prescription for Suboxone?
That's my wife's.
It's your wife's Suboxone?
She's got a
I know.
prescription.
Listen, man, you can't.
She's got herpes medication.
You can't have that in your
I know.
in your wallet, dude. Now you're in control.
Wait, did he say herpes medication? Wait, what did he say? Hold on now. Wait, what? Hold on.
I'll shoot. I'm thinking, for what? Like, I was going in my pocket. You're 100% right.
And do you have a prescription for Suboxone?
That's my wife's.
It's your wife's Suboxone?
She's got
I
a
know.
prescription.
Listen, man, you can't.
She's got herpes medication.
You can't have that in your
I know.
in your wallet, dude. Now you're in constructive possession.
My wife's.
It's your wife's Suboxone?
She's got a
I know.
prescription.
Listen, man, you can't.
She's got herpes medication.
You can't have that in your
I know.
in your wallet, dude. Now you're in constructive possession of it, and it's not yours.
Oh wow. They got a lot going on, boy. They got a lot going on. And look how they talk about each other. On one end, you got him who's like, my wife, my kids, my family, Her. Who is this guy? Oh, that's her dad. So what are you, a baby mama? What are you not the wife or something? Or what's going on here? Like, but man, she got them type of pills in there or medications, whatever they give you for that. I don't know. Hold on, wait. Gotta run that back one more time.
It's your wife's Suboxone?
She's got a subscription.
Listen, man, you can't.
She's got herpes medication.
You can't have that in your
I know.
in your wallet, dude. Now you're in constructive possession of it, and it's not yours. They're gonna grab their stuff, and then you can take the car. All right.
I appreciate you guys letting me take the truck.
Here's his stuff. Yeah, you got kids and stuff. We're not in the business of doing that. All right. I get why you ran, but I mean, fucking, I think you learned by now.
I just was scared, bro. I didn't know what to do. Got rent coming up. I've been out of work for over a week and a half. So I finally got 2 jobs lined up.
Nowadays, you can't run. Like, even if I didn't run after you, dude, we would have drones up in the air in 2 minutes. You know what I mean? It's not like it used to be, man. It's totally different.
I know, man. I just did 2 years, man.
Straight?
19.
And you just got out when?
6 months of November. 6 months ago.
What'd you get locked up for?
The escape. That's what they were just laughing about. On my record, it says escape, but what I just did when I ran from you, that was my escape. They gave me 20 years for that.
What?
Yeah, bro.
I mean, were you in custody?
No. Just same exact way that shit just happened, but I didn't have a driver's license at that time, so I ran because I didn't have a driver's license. Classification officer and DOC looked at my case and they were like, how the did you go to prison for 20 years?
Yeah, you took that. Hopefully you learn from that and don't take it to trial.
Kenneth was ultimately charged with resisting without violence, falsifying identification to a law enforcement officer, and possession of drugs without a prescription.
Yeah, I mean, that's a crazy crime to get 20 years for, but you probably got that time because you decided to take it to trial. And when you take things to trial, they're going to make an example out of you, especially if we're thinking 20 years ago. Whew. But then you get out, and then 6 months later, you go do the same thing. So obviously, you ain't learned a goddamn thing, man. And yeah, that's just this guy, man, complete idiot. But this was some good body cam footage. I ain't gonna lie, man. This was very entertaining. I like it. Patrol Cam Live. I don't do too many of their videos, but they got my attention. All right. Anyway, I'm giving the officer 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below. I was very impressed that he was actually able to keep up with the guy. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times you see officers when they on these chases and stuff like that, even though that's a part of their job, police chases, a lot of officers really ain't in shape like that. So for him to actually be able to keep up and, you know what I mean? That was good. It's good. Good job, man. So yeah, like I said, 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm gonna catch you in the next video.